Hello, and welcome back to IndustrialGuideAsia.com. My name is Orson. We are back in BITEC at the ME Expo. And right now I'm at PATLITE. They're going to share with us, like we always do, share the knowledge about the industry, about what they are doing. Okay, well, welcome, sir. Can you tell us about your company? Take us through your company and what it does.
Okay, we are PATLITE. We're coming from Japan, and we're manufacturing those kind of status indication lights for quite a long time, such as since 1947.
Wow.
Yeah, and then now we are having the chances to introduce ourselves here. This is a new series, LR series, which is a PATLITE very new model. Just we have launched just January only.
Oh.
Yeah. So the things is the meaning of the color is just a LED, but the red, amber, green, blue, white. But as well as the meaning is the green is the status of the machine is running okay.
Okay.
Yeah. But sometimes they have a problem. It shows red. And yellow means for example, it is changing the process, such as the meaning. It depends on the machines. So now talking about the IoT.
Yes.
Yeah, actually the last time we only shows the status only, but it is collected by manual.
Oh, yeah.
But nowadays the customers' requirements is changing time to time. So now we have the wireless unit to send the status running or stopping by wireless.
Oh.
Yeah. So last time they checked the timing, what time the machine stops. But this was manual.
Manual.
But we can send the data by wirelessly, automatic by PC. Yeah.
So can you share with what are the benefits of having these lights and this system? It's the system, right?
Yeah.
What are the benefits of having this system and the lights?
Okay. So we can connect. We can collect the data by wired, but by wired you must change the system, and then it costs a lot. But actually, our PATLITE is quite widely used, so that they can just add on the unit, and then they can collect the data very easy. And as well, the last time we need to collect the data by manual, so sometimes they need to re-input to the data or graph. But now we can collect the data by automatic, so that it is easier to do the report. Yeah.
So where are your products widely used?
Actually, our products were widely used in the factory, but every industry, everywhere in the factory.
So how is the industry in Southeast Asia concerning your products?
Actually, the everywhere in the factory they need they now so-called the visualization.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that the requirements is there. Not only in Southeast Asia, it's all over the world. Yeah.
So do you have a sample with us that you can share on how this works? Do you have because I can see there are a few illustrations there. Is there somewhere that you can show us how it works?
Okay. So the meaning that what I mentioned is to visualize is showing with the graphs. So from the 8 o'clock in the morning to the 5 o'clock in the evening. Then last time they need to collect the data by hand manually. But now we have partners. We have the system with our partners to show the graph. So what time, for example, 11:15, there's a problem. So that those information are automatically there. Yeah.
So how are manufacturers in Thailand receiving your ideas, or maybe let me just say Southeast Asia manufacturers, how are they receiving your products?
Actually, their purpose of usage of the lights was just showing the status, as I mentioned.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that now those labor costs is going up, so that we cannot put the operator machine by machine. Yeah. So one person will take care of the 5 machines or 10 machines. So that we can save the cost. Of course, the Southeast Asia, there's the cost reduction is one of the target. Yeah. So that is the point that we are trying to do is a less labor cost, or try to do the saving the cost with our lights. Yeah.
All right, one final question. What makes you different from other providers of the LED lights? Because there's, of course, people who are producing the same product as you. So how do you set yourself different?
Okay, actually, as I mentioned in the beginning, we are from Japan. Of course, Japan is well known that quality is number one. Yeah, and also we have the manufacturing in Indonesia, but this model is also used in Japanese market and the U.S. market all over the world. Our quality is all the time number one. So that is the point that the PATLITE is the number one for the lighting and audible.
All right. In closing, what can you share with people who are watching about your systems? What can you share with them about the system or anything that is related to your systems and products?
Okay. So our items are actually well known. Actually, for the people who are watching this one, maybe they can know that this is so-called PATLITE. Yeah. But actually, the quality and or this one is a system. This is the idea that they can just put on, just do it, just easy to do it, easy to implement. This is the number one advantage for the customers. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, sir, for your time. Thank you everyone for tuning in to industrialguideasia.com. Go on to the description box below and www.industrialguideasia.com. That's our website. Subscribe and follow us on all our social media platforms. See you there. Bye bye.